How to turn off speech recognition in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off speech recognition in Windows 11. Disabling speech recognition in Windows 11 can enhance privacy and prevent unintentional activation of voice commands. So let's start the video. To stop speech recognition in Windows 11, left-click on your Windows icon, and then click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on Accessibility in the left side panel. Now scroll down, and under Interaction section click on Speech. Here you can control all things related to speech recognition. To turn it off completely, simply toggle the Windows speech recognition or voice access switch to off position by clicking on it. This is how you can simply disable or speech recognition in Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye.